folks, it's me again. It's me again. What's new and exciting here? Not much. I just got one last video for tonight, then I'm going to bed. That'll work tomorrow. So I'll show you the, look, my head's on fire again. What I got? I have Husky brand. And why did I buy them? Because they were like, what, $8, $6? I don't know. How are they? I'll let you know. First and foremost, if you want to get, I always tell people, if you want to get stuff off of these little wire things off, you just, oh, these are rubber. Oh, there we go, see? You got to use vice grips to open everything. Let's use the Walmart ones. Walmart brand vice grips. Great way to take little tabs off. Uh-oh. These are Husky brand. They are made in where? Where are they made? Where are they made? Husky tools, fabric, China. You can see the little back card there. It says Hancho in China. Anyway, look at that. Get rid of that. Are they any good? Oh, the finish is okay. They seem kind of indented here. I don't know why. But do they hold stuff? I don't know. Let me check. Can we hold on to you? Let's grab I don't know. Let's grab something. Of course, I had to clean up my bench. Of course. They just seem. They hold okay. What's my verdict? Just by holding them for a few minutes. Let me go check some. Let me get some of your small ones to show you. Let me just compare here. Smaller comparison. We'll compare these ones. We'll compare them to these ones. What's this one? Some other wanky brand. So, see, I got these ones. They're fancy. These are Stanley ones. If you want to lock them, these are out of its league. Milwaukee ones. See, they're kind of. I guess they're all. I don't know. They're probably all made the same freaking point. These are original vice grips. Let's see. Well, this one, the screw is a little thicker than this one, and this one has a standard screw, which is about the same thickness. This one's got a full rivet on both sides. It's got some pretty good rivets. It's got the standard brown ones. This one's got the standard Irwin cheapo thing. This too, cheap rivet. But overall, I don't know. I would say the only thing I see weird is this part right here is kind of bent. Like it's, I don't know, maybe it's the same. They look a little, see, they don't look the same. These ones look like they bent them in too far. But I don't think it really matters. See, if you're opening this up. I mean, they still hold. They hold okay. Right. See? If you want to just hold sheet metal. My guess is they're trying to compete with the little red tab here. This little piece seems really cheap, kind of small. I don't know. If you're trying to like do a knockoff of Milwaukee, at least like look at the size. See, look at the size difference in this thing. Yeah, okay. Which one's something's a little bit different. And then Irwin has a little back thing here. And the Stanley one's here. The Stanley one is a big giant on the back, but this is just totally ridiculous. So I still want to know why almost every one of them has says CRV on it. Even this one doesn't, but most of them do. But anyway, like I say with most pliers, if you're gonna burn these up welding, hey, why not? You need a cheap alternative. You don't want to spend, I don't know, $14 a piece on name brand ones, or some of these things are $27 each for the little tiny ones. If you don't want to do that, buy cheap Husky ones. Is there any really difference in quality? I honestly don't think so. I don't think there's, nowadays they're all made out of They're all coming out of China, probably all coming out of the same factory, and they're just using sloppier materials for other ones. And will it hold up? Who knows? I'm guessing these things will probably just rust out and break. I mean, is the spring any good? Like, see, this spring seems a lot cheaper than that one. This one's, I don't know. This one's just black. Who knows? But I don't see them. I don't see any problem with these. I mean, for whatever you're doing, it should work. It should work fine. They're a little slippery though. So should be no problem with them. Husky brand. At least 500 years from now, they find them in a sand pile somewhere. They'll know that somebody named Husky made them. So anyway, that's the lowdown on vice grips, locking pliers. I have a few more older ones coming, a few other vintage ones for you to look at. So if you want to see more plier videos on the plier channel, I guess. I don't know. I like locking pliers. My goal is to get every one of them I could possibly find, at least whatever, within reason. I'm not paying $1,000 for a rare pair of vice grips just because they're rare. I just want to try them all out. And I gotta find a new place to hang them because there's way too many under my bench here. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.